Hello, we're here at Esley today to look at this custom 8.5 by 12 concession trailer. Starting off with the front, it is a flat front trailer, triple tube tongue. We'll have the light connection for the trailer, the breakaway cable. The coupler is for a 2 5/16. Safety chains, loading jack foot. The wires for the lights run into this box here. Breakaway battery box is on this other side. This trailer does have crank jacks on the corners to help stabilize. One of our front jacks here, and we can see the RV style drain connection. Now with the drain connection, we'll see a 3-inch cap, 3/4 inch cap here, and then a pull release valve. City bar fill box. There's a lock, so you can connect your 3/4 inch hose. You can screw it on and lock it in place. This flap will go over to the side. That way nobody can tamper with the water. And then there's also a fill port on here where you can fill it up and then you can lock it back. This trailer has an RV style door with screens. Also has a bar lock. There's a concession window on both the driver and passenger sides of the trailer. And there's a flip-up counter. With a flip-up counter, there's going to be 2 of these releases. When you press them together, the counter will fold down. Now when you put it back up, just pop it up. And you see the screen door. With the RV style door, you'll have a lock for the handle on the outside, then you'll have a deadbolt. Now the deadbolt you can also lock from the inside, so we can see the keys. Going into the trailer, there is a recessed step to make it easier to get in. The flooring on the trailer is rubber tread plate. When you first walk in, there's a hand sink, a 3-bay sink. Lower cabinet base for all the plumbing components. You see a battery charger, power panel, fuse panel. Sinks have drain boards. When open up the cabinet base, it's just a push button lock. You see your water pump in there, the PVC piping and PEX piping. Water heater. Our passenger side concession window from the inside. And there's the built-in upper shelf above the rear and the driver's side concession window. So there does have an AC and heat unit and LED interior lights. The boxes that we see on the floor here are going to be the fender wells on both the driver and passenger side. You can see they include a power cable and a crank handle for the crank jacks. Trailer has steel wheels, black in color. LED lights for the exterior. License plate bracket and light. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you. Have a great day.